Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, Dio, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, I just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this, yeah. Ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live for this. Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo, yeah, we got potential. Shoot a movie like I'm Denzel, running my route to the end zone. And they still can define me, man, you know where to find me. I'm tryna get me a Grammy so I can dedicate it to my granny. Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, Dio, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, I just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. Yeah, I just turn my L's into W's. Yeah, I just told my sins, yeah, I'm done with you. Yeah, stay in your lane, don't you pick and choose. I can't waste my time, I got a lot to lose. To the game that we all on, they was doubting us all along. Now we charting in Hong Kong, what competition, they all gone. Bless, stress, play the game like it's chess. We next, that's a check, over stripes, yeah, yeah. Tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood?
You know, as an artist, people want you to be this one thing, this one kind of person. This, oh, you gotta do trap, but you can't sing. Or if you sing, you can't really use the auto-tune. It's just, you can't let society define you. You gotta stay undefined.
Still got the city on my back, running fourth down on fire. I'm just tryna put us on the map. From the south, we gon' take it up higher. Spirit on me in the flesh, I've been baptized with the fire. Riding with the crew on time, they say they tryna divide us. You cannot define me, came up from the mud, refine me. I be in the dark where the light be, hit 'em up like in Miami. Dominicanos in the field like Poppy. I remember being stuck in the lobby, and I really glowed up, you can stop me. Man, I lay my life down for my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 2015, I started moving. I remember starting on defining what's the movement. Started with a couple homies thinking we was blooming. Had to cut them off, they didn't know what they was doing. Months later, everything went back to flowing. Making music on a daily basis till I was a student. Wasn't worried about the regulations, I just kept pursuing. I was trying to keep my patience, I was grounded, I was cooling. Double like a baby, I mean dancing with demons. Late night, I was up, I was feeling. She just want more money, she gon' ride on the weekends. Oh no, my, I mean it. Up going crazy, they talk cause they ain't me. I'm a wolf, you can't tame me. You can't fade me. Still got the city on my back, running fourth down on fire. I'm just tryna put us on the map. From the south, we gon' take it up higher. Spirit on me in the flesh, I've been baptized with the fire. Riding with the crew on time, they say they tryna divide us. You cannot define me, came up from the mud, refine me. I be in the dark where the light be, hit 'em up like in Miami. Dominicanos in the field like Poppy. I remember being stuck in the lobby, and I really glowed up, you can stop me. Man, I lay my life down for my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Get that bag, get through.
Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay the rent. Working hard, just to stay afloat. They was hating on the low. I was rolling with the bros. Diamonds on me, yeah, my wrist is froze. She hit my phone while she home alone. Baby, you on hold, I been in my zone. Ain't nothing wrong, but you on your own. I ain't mean to bring you down, but now I'm moving on. You ain't believe me, I'm done with the fakery. You was a fantasy, you gonna hang with me. I told my homies you was the one, that you had my remedy. I kept it 100, but you was folding, call it insanity. Look at Shawty and she booted up. She hating on me, but she knows us. I got the gang, yeah, you know it's us. Undefined till I'm in the dust, yeah, yeah, till I'm in the dust. Undefined till I'm in the dust, yeah, 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 yeah. Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay the rent. Working hard, just to stay afloat. They was hating on the low. I was rolling with the bros. Diamonds on me, yeah, my wrist is froze. Rolling, now I'm on the road. Tryna hit a different city just to do a show. I was in the darkness, now it's time to glow. You can see the way I move, just peep the way I flow. She said I'm smart, I feel like Tony Stark. Baby, you can do your thing and I'ma do my part. We was together and you broke my heart. But my new girl, yeah, she picked it up, turned into art. Lately I've been noticing my surroundings. Where was you when I was down and I was drowning? I hit you up and you picked up, but you were stalling. But when you called me, I was there for you, be honest. Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay the rent. Working hard, just to stay afloat. They was hating on the low. I was rolling with the bros. Diamonds on me, yeah, my wrist is froze. You ain't believe me, I'm done with the fakery. You was a fantasy, you're gonna hang with me. I ain't mean to bring you down, but now I'm over.